Hi guys, it's me, Kay Prilla, and my son, J.E. So, we're here at Kmart sa pet section. Ayan, so, ang bibilin lang dapat namin is pocket tissue. So, kuya, pakita mo yung binili natin. So, bumili kami niyan. Bibili kami ng dog water fountain mat para makapaglaro sila. Also, yung water dispenser para palagi lang malinis yung water nila. Tsaka yung some mats and yung yan. So, mamaya papakita namin. So, I don't know kung bibili kami nitong cooling mat.
We should. It's the summer soon.
Yeah. Today? Now?
No, mid.
Yeah, yun na lang muna. So, yan. Hindi ko alam kung leash din pala to. The leather, yun, leather, no? Yan. So, ayan. Bye!